Aloha. I'm Andy. In today's video, I will clean the fan for the HP Compaq NC 2400 notebook PC. This will be a short video. This is my friend's notebook, and from some time the notebook has started to heat up. The CPU idle temperature is about 56 Celsius degree, and in full load the temperature reach about 78 Celsius degree. When I flip it over the notebook, I can see the accumulated dust on the fan. When I turn on my flashlight, I should see the light between the heatsink impellers. I can see the light, but I can see the accumulated dust too. When the impellers are not fully clogged up with dust, usually I use my vacuum cleaner. If the impellers are fully clogged up, I never use the vacuum cleaner, because the vacuum cleaner can't break the compressed dust into small pieces and will jam the fan. So let's power up the vacuum cleaner. You can see the vacuum cleaner couldn't break into small pieces the compressed dust. I will remove that dust with a needle. I will use one more time the vacuum cleaner. The fan looks clean. Now I will verify with the flashlight. Now I can see the flashlight between every impeller. I think I made a good job. And now I will verify the temperature with programs too. In idle now the CPU temperature is about 47 Celsius degree, less with 9 Celsius degree. In full load the temperature is about 62 Celsius degree, less with 16 Celsius degree. If I would disassembled and replaced the thermal paste, the temperature would probably have dropped by another 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. What do you think about this fan cleaning method? Please leave a comment below. In my next video I will try to upgrade this notebook HDD with an SSD. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.